If someone asks what is the best AI image generator, the answer is probably going to be Midjourney. It creates some stunning artworks and the images, the portraits it generates are super realistic. But the problem with this tool is that it is not always free. A lot of the time you will get message while signing up that due to extreme demand, Midjourney is not going to be providing free trials, and that's a big problem because their subscription price is quite expensive, to be honest. However, the good news is I have found an excellent alternative to Midjourney, and that is Leonardo.ai. It is already capable to be a competent rival of Midjourney, and the best part is this tool is developing at a crazy pace. So in a short span of time, you can expect this Leonardo.ai to be a direct competitor of Midjourney. And yes, Leonardo.ai is free, so you do not have to worry about any subscription fees. And another great aspect of Leonardo.ai is that it is going to give you the ownership to your images, which means the images that you generate through this tool, it is going to give you full ownership. Unlike Midjourney, on Midjourney you have to pay a certain amount to get ownership of your images. So overall, I think Leonardo.ai can be a very competent alternative to Midjourney. Before I get any further into the video, let me tell you that at the end of the video I am going to show you how to earn money with the images generated by Leonardo.ai. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So first thing first, how to get access to Leonardo.ai. For that you have to come to their website, which is Leonardo.ai, and then you have to click on this get early access, and in this box paste your email, and then you can click on count me in. And unlike Midjourney, Leonardo.ai sends you an invite pretty quickly. As a result, you do not have to wait much. But if you are in a hurry and you want to get access to Leonardo very quickly, you can simply join the Discord server of Leonardo, which is this one, and from the Discord server you will get a section which is called priority whitelist. So if you click on that, you will get this form, and you have to provide your information on this form and then submit. So after submitting, you can simply click on launch app and then click on yes, I am whitelisted, then click on login, and then you can simply click on continue with Google and select the exact account that has the same email as the email that you have provided on the priority whitelist form. So this way you do not have to wait for any email. You can simply get direct access to Leonardo.ai. So before I show you how Leonardo works, how to use this amazing tool, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss our uploads. So back to the video, these are some of the featured models that you can get on Leonardo. You can also see some recent creations. So these images are all created by Leonardo, and a great feature is if you click on any image, you can even see the full prompt that has been used to generate this particular image. You can also see the negative prompt, and you can even remove the background. For that you have to click on this box and then click on no background. As you can see, the background has been removed, so you can download this now. You can also see some details such as the model that has been used, the resolution, and some other details. And on the left top side you can see the amount of tokens I currently have. So just like any other AI tools or image generators, Leonardo.ai also has tokens, and daily you will get 150 tokens, which are free tokens, and depending on the amount of images you generate and the settings you choose, the tokens are going to reduce accordingly. So without any further ado, let's go to the AI image generation. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the AI image generation. From here you can choose the model, the image models. So there are a lot of models and some popular names are also here. So as you can see, stable diffusion 1.5, stable diffusion 2.1. You can also change the style of your image. You can even add negative prompt, which means the things that should not be in your image. And there is even a great feature that you will not find on Midjourney, which is prompt generation. So from here you can generate prompt for your image. So let's generate a prompt. Let's type swimming cat, and then let's click on this button. Now we are going to get some ideas or prompt about swimming cat. So all you have to do is provide a basic information about the prompt that you want. So as you can see, we have got 4 prompts. So I guess this is a good one. Let's copy it and then let's paste it on this box, and then let's keep the model Dream Shaper V5 and choose the Leonardo style. Let's deselect the negative prompt, and on the left side you can see some other settings such as the amount of images you want, and then you can also turn on alchemy. So this alchemy makes your images more high resolution. The images are going to have more high fidelity. You can also enable the prompt magic. This prompt magic makes sure the image is very related to the prompt that you have pasted. You can also select the high contrast if you want a contrasty image. You can select the prompt magic strength, and then comes the image dimension. So let's choose the highest one, and then you can select the aspect ratio if you want. You can also select how much guidance scale you want. So it could be 7, 8. You can also increase or decrease it. So this guidance scale means how much the images are going to be related to your prompt. So if you increase it, the images are going to be extremely related to your prompt, but Leonardo recommends selecting it on 9, 8 or 7. So I think 7 is going to be great. You can also turn on control net, but if you turn on control net, you have to first upload an image on this image to image box. So what this control net does is make the newly generated AI image related to the image, the existing image that you upload on this box. You can also turn on tiling if the image that you are going to generate is textures or patterns, and on the right side you can see the amount of tokens that are going to be used for this. So let's click on generate. As you can see, the generation process has started and we have got our images, and as you can see, these 4 are the images that we have got. I think the third one looks the best. So when you open an image, you can also change some settings about this image. So for example, you can delete download, you can unzoom this image, you can remove the background, and then there are some upscaling options. So as you can see, this is the creative upscale, upscale image alternate, HD smooth upscaler, and even HD crease upscaler. So all of them are going to make your image more high quality. So back to the AI generation tool. From here you can also click on edit in canvas. So this is called the Photoshop of Leonardo.Ai. From here you can make a lot of amazing adjustments to your image. So as you can see, on the left side you can select the pen tool, the selecting tool, the draw mask, erase, and you can also upload existing images. And on the right side there are some other settings with advanced settings. So the best feature on this editor is that you can even enlarge this image. So enlarge this area. For example, I want to enlarge this particular area. So let's write something. So let's write stones on water, and let's click on generate. So as you can see, according to the other part of the image where you can see the stones, the water, I have also written a prompt and then tried to generate something so that I can make this image bigger. So there are 4 results. This is the first result and it definitely does not match this part. So let's see the other results. So as you can see, this part corresponds very well to the other part of the image, and this part also does the job pretty well, and this part looks probably the best. So this way you can enhance different parts of the image according to the prompt that you give on this box. So back to the dashboard of Leonardo.ai. Let's see some other sections that you can find on the dashboard. So you can find the community feed where you can see the images generated by other members of the community. You can see personal feed where you can see the images that you have generated, and then there is the training and data sets. So from here you can train your own model, image model, and then use that. So if you go to fine tune models, you will find all the models. So these are platform models, which means all of these models are made by Leonardo. You can also see the community models, which means the models that have been created by the members of Leonardo, and then you can see your models and favorite models. So just like these models, you can also create your own. For that you have to go to training and data sets and then click on new data set. So when you want to create your own model, you will get redirected to this page, and on this section you have to upload some images. So based on these images, the model that you are creating is going to be trained, and if you do not want to upload any images, you can simply create model based on the existing images. For example, I want to create a model based on these 4 images. So as you can see, these 4 images are selected. Now let's click on train model, and then you have to provide some details such as the model name, the resolution. You can also select the category, the description. You can also select a base model of this training model. You can provide some instant prompt, and then you can simply click on start training, and then you have to go over to job status, and from here you will be able to see the model that you are training, and the model is going to be created in a very short time. Then you can generate images based on your model. So something I forgot to show you is that on the AI generation tool, if you go to the left and then scroll to the bottom, you can see image prompt. So this is another great feature of Leonardo. First you have to upload an image on this box, and based on that particular image a full prompt is going to be generated, and then you can use that prompt to generate some more images. So this is another great feature that you will not find any other AI image generators. And remember how I told you at the start of the video that I am going to show you how to earn money with the images that you generate from Leonardo.ai. So let me show you that now. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 images and these are pattern images. So if you didn't know, these images are pretty popular on sites like Etsy where you can sell these patterns. But other than Etsy, there is another website that you can use to make money with these pattern like images. So before I show you that website, let me generate another pattern image. For that, let's paste a prompt on this box. As you can see, this is my prompt, and keep in mind that I have came up with this prompt with ChatGPT, so that was also fully free of cost. So after writing the prompt, I have selected the Dream Shaper V5 and the Leonardo style. Number of images are 4. You must turn on the prompt magic and high contrast. Make sure you select the highest dimension, and at the end of the settings there is a setting that you must turn on, which is styling. Keep in mind, without turning on this setting, you will not get the pattern images we are trying to create. So once everything is set, let's click on generate. Using the last prompt, I was not getting desired results, so I have changed the prompt, and let's now generate once again. So as you can see, this time we have got some pretty good looking images, and I think this one looks the best. So let's open this one, and you can obviously make some adjustments. For pattern images, I recommend using the last upscaling option, which is HD crisp upscaler. So let's click on it. So as you can see, the image has been upscaled with the HD crisp upscaling. So now let's download this image. After downloading your image, come to this website, which is Printify, and this is the exact website that I was talking about. You can use this website to earn money through the images that you have generated from Leonardo.ai. Let me show you how. First thing you have to do is sign up on this website. So after signing up, you can click on design product, and now you will be redirected to Printify's product catalog. So from here you can get some products such as this blanket. You can add that design, the design that you created on Leonardo pattern image. You can add that image to this blanket. You can add that image to this t-shirt, and there are a lot of options. So you can add that to the men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, and so many other types of materials. So let's choose this canvas and let's start designing. So now let's upload our image from clicking on this my device. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Since it is a pattern image, we have to click on this create pattern, and then you should also click on this print on sites. So once all settings are done, simply click on save product. So on this page you can preview your product from different angles, such as you can view the front side. You can also view your product from the side view. So as you can see, this is the side view. You can also see your product on a wall. So as you can see, it is on a wall. So after providing some product description, selecting the variants, pricing, and all this stuff, you can start selling your product directly on Printify. The best part is you do not have to go through all the packings and shippings. Printify will handle all of these tasks for you. And obviously, if you do not prefer Printify, you can also sell the pattern image by creating different types of products on Etsy. So overall, I think Leonardo.ai is an excellent AI image generator. If there is a tool that can beat Midjourney, it has to be Leonardo.ai. It is already capable of generating some eye-catchy images, and there are so many settings, so many features that you can use to enhance your images, and some of the features are not available even on Midjourney. And the best part is the images that you create with Leonardo, all of their ownerships are going to be given to you. So that is an excellent feature. So if you do not want to miss out on this tool, make sure you go to their website and click on get early access to get free access to Leonardo.ai. On a regular basis, they are providing 150 tokens. I think that is more than enough. So if you want to try this tool out, make sure you check the link in the description, and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this.